Yo, what's up guys? Volt Inu might just be on the way to smashing through a new all-time high. Bear market? What bear market? Volt Inu is printing some seriously green candles right now, guys. So stick around. Let's have a look at some technical analysis for Volt Inu and what crazy things are happening for Volt Inu at the moment. Why is it pumping? Let's check it out together. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, as I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. Just gotta smash that subscribe button, and the winner will be announced on the 1st of December. A little way to say thank you and also make someone's Christmas extra special this year. So let's crack on, guys. We can see Bitcoin is sitting at 16.5k, so very much finding its feet around this particular supports level. Ethereum getting knocked down even lower, below $1,200 at the moment, so the market remains very fearful. The sentiment in the market, I think Volt Inu is really cool. By the way, we can see you can buy here across the ERC20 and the BEP20 side of things too, so it looks really cool. As we see, it's also available on 56 centralized exchanges, so massive deployment. Volt Inu, for those that don't know, is a hyper deflationary token whose aim is to invest in multiple asset classes such as NFTs, nodes, altcoins, staking, and farming of stablecoins. I really like the white paper. I really like everything I see here. Tokenomics are nice and bullish too. There's a lot of burning that goes on, hence why it is hyper deflationary at the same time. So looking at Volt Inu, we can see it's pumping. Definitely one of the greenest coins of the day, up 10% against Bitcoin, now trading at 0.00000015. So pretty crazy, ranked 236 amongst other cryptocurrencies as well. Lots of volatility here. Do I think it's going to potentially get all-time high? I mean, if we look year to date, it is creeping up on some prices from earlier this year. There is a good chance we might see a strong recovery and even break through some previous key resistance levels. Of course, you know, we're in this undervaluation phase, and every time we touch down around 0.00000005 was a really good accumulation range, and the volume has always been pretty strong even throughout the entire bear market. Here are a few tweets that are really cool. ChainX, new coin listing. So this makes another exchange where Volt Inu is getting listed. We can see Volt is coming to ChainX on the 23rd of November. So we all like a big upside potential cryptos, and this is certainly one of them. Another is here. We can see Jake Gagarin. Volt Inu reclaims $125 million market cap. I don't know where this particular data was sourced from, because we do see CoinMarketCap saying it's 86 million, but either way, 125 million during a bear market is really cool. I really think there's a lot of cool stuff happening for Volt Inu. So let's have a look at the Twitter page. You can see 115k followers, which is also good. A lot of these particular low cap projects buy many followers, and I don't really think Volt Inu is actually doing too much of that. You can see the engagements look pretty legit. The numbers aren't too high, but they're not too low either, which is not really a red flag. They are also trending as well. Volt Army trending, which is really cool. So getting in the faces of many retail investors and whales out there, trends occur, and then people FOMO in, hopefully putting the price of Volt Inu up even higher. So let's check out some price analysis nice and quickly. We can see so far looking really bullish from this low on the 11th of October, still up 249%, and then of course from the FTX crash on the 10th, still up 110%. So in my opinion, this here is a really big support range of 0.014, and I would say where we are now, we're trying to get towards the 0.2 level and the 0.22 level, so a real resistance box here, but in my opinion it could definitely happen. One thing to note is that we are extremely overbought on this relative strength index. As we see, we're sitting around 85 on the daily RSI. It's not the best thing to be seeing in my opinion. That means we're overextended on the 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands indicator as well. So we could effectively see a retest of maybe the 0.14 support level one more time before blasting off towards higher price levels. I do anticipate seeing a pullback here just because of the amount of euphoria that we are seeing related to this particular coin, but it just doesn't want to. It's just parabolic, guys, is the only thing I can say here. Parabolic, a complete crypto boner right here. This is just straight up unbelievable. Even had a V-shaped recovery here for Volt Inu. Unbelievable, guys. So one thing we could look at is maybe the trend line here. This is all speculation, of course, but I do see a potential retest of this trend line at 1615. If we lose support here, we come into the green accumulation zone. If we lose that support again, 0.13 is probably going to be the one that happens. So we are starting to get rollover now here on the smaller time frames. Let's move into the hour. Kind of a falling wedge pattern, you know. How are we getting these bullish reversal patterns? There should be a lot of volatility, but, you know, there's not. Someone buying market makers? What's going on? So yeah, a bit of a falling wedge actually, which is typically a bullish reversal pattern, meaning if we do get that breakout here, guys, let's just get our brush again, or the path is fine. If we break through this 184 resistance, then that's when we can actually see the 0.02 price level happen for Volt Inu. So very, very curious to see what might happen here. Let's watch this over the next few days, guys. Of course, to get back to the all-time high, it needs to get all the way over here from this sweep of 0.036. So still a long way to go, but it's really good to see that it broke through this resistance here of 0.01. So let me know, guys, what do you think of Volt? Do you think it's going to pump higher? Do you think it's had most of its euphoria now? Do you think we're going to see a correction first? It's really, really cool to see this. If you're new to the channel as well, please get yourself into the Discord down below. We've got loads of things going on. You know, we've got the general discussion here. We've got a load of pre-sales. We've got signals. We've got community chats and education as well. So find my Discord link down below. Come and say hi. And you can also look at the other 4 links down below. There's 4 really juicy pre-sales that are live right now. And if you weren't in my channel or Discord group before, we had 2 pre-sales. There were 20x and a 7.5x. So check each pre-sale out down below. Stay crypto safe, everybody, and have a blessed day. Goodbye for now.